Hey there, crypto traders. Are you tired of manually executing your trades and missing out on potential profit opportunities? Well, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the best crypto trading bots that can automate your trades and help you maximize your profits. First up, we have the 3 trading bot. This bot offers a wide range of features including automated trading, smart trading, and paper trading. With 3 you can easily set up and customize your trading strategies to suit your preferences. The platform also offers backtesting tools to help you optimize your strategies and maximize your profits. Next on the list is the Cryptohopper trading bot. This bot is known for its user-friendly interface and customizable trading strategies. With Cryptohopper, you can easily set up trading signals and indicators to automate your trades. Additionally, the bot offers a marketplace where you can buy and sell trading strategies from other users. Last but not least, we have the HaasOnline trading bot. This bot is perfect for advanced traders who are looking for a more customizable and flexible trading experience. With HaasOnline, you can build and customize your own trading bots using their drag-and-drop interface. The platform also offers a wide range of technical indicators and charting tools to help you analyze the market. And now for our bonus point, if you're looking for a trading bot that can provide you with a more hands-off approach, you might want to check out the Binance trading bot. This bot is integrated with the Binance exchange and can automatically execute trades based on your set parameters. It also offers a range of pre-built strategies that you can choose from or customize to suit your needs. So there you have it, the best crypto trading bots to automate your trades. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, there's a trading bot out there that can help you maximize your profits and minimize your risks. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.